If you've ever found yourself wanting to play a favorite video on repeat, whether it's a soothing music track, a relaxing nature scene, or a presentation you're reviewing, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through looping videos in VLC Media Player, one of the most popular and versatile media players out there. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to loop a single video or even an entire playlist, so you can keep your content playing for as long as you need hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have VLC Media Player open on your computer. If you're wanting to loop a single video, simply drag your file into VLC or click Media, then Open File to browse for the video you want. But let's say you have multiple videos you want to play one after the other in loop. Just add them all to VLC's playlist. You can do this by clicking Media and open multiple files, or by right-clicking inside the playlist area and choosing Add File. That way your playlist is all set up. Next, let's get familiar with the controls. At the very bottom of the VLC window, you'll see a series of playback buttons: play, pause, stop, and right next to those, there's the loop button. It looks like two curved arrows forming a circle. This button is your key to looping, so go ahead and locate it. Don't worry if you're not sure which one it is. The icon is pretty distinctive and you'll get used to spotting it quickly. Here, where things get just a little bit interesting. The loop button isn't just a one-click and done situation. It actually has 3 different modes that you can toggle between simply by clicking on it. This gives you a lot of flexibility depending on what you want to achieve. The first mode is Loop All, which is the default. When you click the loop button once, it should change color, which is VLC's way of letting you know looping is now active. If you've loaded a playlist, this mode will repeat the entire list of videos over and over, perfect for parties, background music, or extended viewing sessions. Click it again and you'll switch to Loop 1 mode. You'll notice the icon now has a small 1 on it. That's your clue that now only the current video file will repeat endlessly. This is super useful if you're practicing along with a tutorial video, rewatching a favorite scene, or just want one particular video to keep playing without handling any controls. Click the loop button a 3rd time and you'll switch it off, no loop mode. Here, playback will simply stop once your video or playlist reaches the end. It's easy to forget which mode you're in, so keep an eye on the icon for a visual cue. And that's all there is to it. As soon as you set your preferred loop mode, VLC will automatically start repeating the video or playlist as soon as it finishes. You don't have to do anything extra, just sit back and let VLC handle it for you. If things don't seem to be looping properly, double-check your playlist or which mode the button icon shows. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see tutorials on other VLC tips and tricks. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you'll never miss a new video. Happy looping!